Yo, what's really good? It's the one and only Ace to the Boogie, and I'm coming to you with another review. Now, in this video, I am going to be reviewing the Jordan 1 Lost and Found. We're going to go over the shoe. We're going to go over the box. We're going to go over how I was able to get these joints, man, because it was a tough release. And you know it's only right I give you that on feet and outfit ideas. Stay tuned. All right, and welcome back, man. So right here, as you can see, I do have my box, and one thing I'm very happy about: no logos, no lettering, you feel me, no special tape. This is just that plain Jane brown box, man. So you know, once you get it, it's like it's not really yours until you get it in hand. So let me go ahead. I got my trusty box cutter. Let me go ahead and give it a good old slice down the middle. Peel back gang, man. You know the vibes, man. We're gonna go ahead and peel it back, and we're gonna go ahead and peel it back, man. So as you can see, man, we starting off right. We do right here have that Nike box. This is the box, you know, that's specific to this shoe. Let me go ahead and take it on out, man. I'm loving the details already, man. We have Jordan 1 High Retro OG, and the colorway is Varsity Red Black Sail. Here we go. Take a look at that. You feel me? Very nice right there. And as you can see, we do have the sale stickers right here. This kind of, you know, it's just like they were, you know, in a shoe store, and you know, they was in the back room, they was lost, but now they were found, man. We got that nice box right here that looks very weathered and like a worn out box, but in person it feels like a new box, but it just has that weathered old school look, man. Let's go ahead and open these joints up. We do have some very detailed paper, you feel me? Sometimes I get rid of my paper, but on these I am going to keep the paper. Very nice. It has different ads from the Jordan 1 shoe. $59.99. I can't, man. I wish I could grab some for $59.99 right now, man. I'm taking them all. Here we go. Let's go ahead and open these joints up. We have more paper. We have more of the standard paper after that. And oh yes, now look, before I even get into the shoe, let me let you know how I got these. Now, you know the release was crazy. I went on Sneakers App, man, and my joint was not working. Like, I was trying to smash the, you know, the joint in for the release, and it was not giving me no love, no action. But I just kept at it, and after about 6 or 7 minutes, mine finally went through. And that's just to put the entry in. That's not to actually get the shoe. That's to put the entry in, man. But I hit my wife up like, man, can you try? You know, I need a size 10 in these joints. And she hit me like, you know, it's not working. It's not working. I said, can you just keep on trying? But, you know, I got my message back that mine did go through. But I did take the L. So when she went ahead and did hers, after a couple minutes, hers went through. But she did get the famous got 'em. So I was juiced, man. And shout out to you, because Boosie, you did your thing. But anyway, let's go ahead and take this shoe out right here, man. Oh yes, right here we do have that Jordan 1 Lost and Found, man. So here we go. We got a quick look at the shoe right here. Very clean. You know, we have that classic Chicago colorway. You got that sail, so it's not really like a bright white. It's kind of more of an aged vintage style of the sole right here. We have a cracked white. Hopefully you guys can catch right here in that middle portion. It's kind of like a cracked leather look, and it's the same on the toe box. Let me give it a little. There we go. So the toe box is still kind of soft right there, but it is does have that cracked kind of look to it. Man, this is a clean shoe. Right here at that upper, we have that same kind of cracked. Hopefully it's not peeling up here. And you know what? I'm gonna say I am very pleased that I do not have a moldy pair. Cause some people, it's like after you go through all these levels, first you gotta get your entry in. Then you gotta get chosen. Then you gotta make sure that the shipping company doesn't steal your joints. And then you gotta make sure it's not moldy. Cause they had an issue with a lot of the shoes, I guess, being moldy around the back area. And they were canceling people's orders because of that. So that's just like another layer of, I hope my joint gets here in one piece, you feel me? And yeah, definitely in one piece. I do not have the mold issue. Here we go, just to the inside of the shoe. Now, one thing that's interesting, we have the white laces and the black laces. Now, I'm not sure exactly which ones I'm going to use. I'm leaning towards the white laces. I might just do the on feet with one white and one black just to kind of give you guys a different look. Let's go on the inside. We have the paper. Insole does say Nike Air. We have the white insole. I did get a size 10, which is my true size, man. But yeah, I can't wait to, go ahead and lace these up, put these on feet, let you guys see what these look like. I got a couple outfits in mind that I gotta get to, man. So yeah, stay tuned. And right here, I do have the lost and founds. Like I said, I did go ahead and put the black shoelaces in one, and I put the white shoelaces in the other just to kind of give a different look. And I usually like to lace mine up pretty high, not all the way to the top. So I only leave one at the top, but I do like to tie them on that second one just because it makes the shoe a little bit more narrow at the top. And most of my jeans are more on the skinny side. I do have some bigger ones as well, but they're mostly either slim fit or skinny. So I definitely like to tie that top, make sure that gets nice and snug around the ankle. And so for my first outfit, I feel like it was only right. These are Jordans, so I had to put the Jordan jersey on, man. We're not playing around when it comes to the jerseys. We only rocking Mitchell & Ness authentic joints, man. That's just me. But you know what? They don't even make Jordans in the Swingman version anyway. So, I just like the jersey. It's a good look. It's something that I would wear probably to like a barbecue day party, something like that, Right now, this time of the year, I wouldn't really be rocking this, but I'm just trying to give that daytime barbecue day party type of a vibe right here. And right here, I do have the Jordans on with some black jeans. I mean, you can never really go wrong with black jeans. It's kind of like the universal color of jeans whenever you have Jordan 1s on. And that's because the majority of Jordan 1s do have some type of black in them. So it was only right that I put the Jordans on with the black jeans. I mean, definitely looks good, definitely clean. And this whole fit, boy, oh boy, man, this joint right here went crazy, man. Now, I am a Mitchell & Ness type of a person, man. So it was only right. I had to send the stash. So it's like, come on, man, I had to put it on. And remember, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I got more heat coming, man. You feel me? But yeah, like this fit goes crazy. I mean, let me know what you think. I do have another outfit after this one. So out of the 3, make sure you let me know in the comments, which one was your favorite, the reason why. I went and had the glasses on, took the glasses off, man. I mean, come on, man. It's just a good look. And just by the way, this is the Chicago Bulls shooting shirt from his rookie year. And right here, I do have on the camos. Now, these are some cargos that I do have by Ralph Lauren, and they're a little bit bigger. And as you can see, you can actually put the pants over the whole top of the shoe right there. And I mean, I feel like the camo is a good combo when it comes to the Jordans. I mean, you can't really go wrong. It's hard to mess up camouflage, especially when it comes to the pants or even shorts for that matter. And right here, I do have the cargos on, you feel me, with that red Nike Club Fleece crew neck. And I did just do a video on the Nike Club Fleece. I mean, I got the pullovers, the crew necks, the new half zip joints, man. So make sure you go ahead and check that video out. But yeah, this is just a really nice, clean look. You feel me? It's coordinated. It's crispy. It's clean. It's not doing too much. You feel me? And it doesn't even really cost too much, to be honest. You know, that sweater is only like 50 bucks, man. But yeah, don't forget to like this video, man. Comment. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I got more heat coming. But it's your boy Ace to the Boogie, and I'm out.